want to know how to make command effectively in Python programming language? Hello dear viewers, making command in your program is an effective way to understand your code, make your code more readable, more understandable. In this video, I will share 3 effective ways to make command in Python programming language step by step and details. In this channel, we make different type of tutorials, how to style video and tech related videos. So if you are new, consider to subscribe. Let's jump into the video. So I'm using IntelliJ IDEA. You can use any type of Python interpreter. Before we start, we need to create a Python file. We need to go to the projects section and then new and then Python file. We need to give a name, give the extension .py. So here is the tips number 1. If you want to make a command in general, you just need to type number sign, some people call it hash, and you can write anything after the number sign. So this is a command. So this is the first one, how you can make a command in Python programming language. So if you want to test with a code, so if you want to write a code, after that you want to make a command. So let's try it. Hello world, then give number sign. This is a print command. So this is a print command. So if we run it now, you can see this line will not be included in our output. So here we have only the hello world, but here this line is not included in our output. So now here tips number 2, how you can make the command inside the list, tuple, set and a dictionary. So now we will start with the list. Let's make a list and give the variable name lst, and inside the lst we will make the elements 1, 2, 3. So we break the list in 3 different lines, and now here we can make the command. So this is a command, and also we can make this command after this line and also after this line, but we need to break it again in different line. So here is the way how you can make the command inside the list. The process is really same. If you want to make with the tuple, we just need to make a tuple here. I will copy it and just change the brackets. So list 1 with the list you can see, and list 2 with the tuple. And if we run this program, we will see that these lines will be not included inside the output. So here 1, 2, 3, and the second one with the tuple. As you can see that both output is not included the command. And now we will start with the dictionary. So if we want to make a dictionary, let's give a variable name. We will give the key and the value. The key will be key 1, here will be 1, and then break it again, and then key 2, the value is 2, then break it again, key 3, value is 3, break it again. So if we want to make the command after the element inside the dictionary, we can make like this. Also the same process. So this process is same for all the elements. So if we print the dictionary, we will see the output, and the other lines will be not included in the output. So here you can see that the other lines are not included inside the dictionary. So now we will see the set 1. I will give name, and I will just copy it because all the things are same in the set. So if we run it, now we will see the output, and we will see that these other lines are not included inside the set. And now here is the tips number 3. Function and arguments. How you can make command inside the function and arguments. So let's make a function. So div show a, b, c. So here is the 3 argument of our function. We will break it into 3 lines because we have 3 parameters. So now we can make command here. We will copy this line because the process is same for these 2 options also. So now we can see that we can make the command inside the parameter. If we finish it, return a, b, c, we print the function with respected value 10, 20, 30. If we run the program now, we will see that here is no problem and the output is not included with the command. These lines are not included here, and also we can make command here. So the process is same for these 2 lines also. So we can see that the command has been putted safely here. Now if we run the program, the output is still same, no change, because so this is the valid reason and this is the valid way you can make command in Python. So this is the process you can make multiple command in the Python program. So thanks for watching. If you find this video is helpful for you, please give us a like and please do subscribe for future updates, and we will make these kinds of video in future also. Thank you.